Melvin from hairtransplantnetwork.com. I just completed my first month after having my fourth and hopefully my final hair transplant. This is completely off the script. I just wanted to share you guys a genuine, real review of what I've been experiencing in my first month. So I did show you guys in my thread, in case you guys haven't checked it out. It's the Hair Restoration Network. I have the link to it in the description box. So I shared my 2 weeks, I shared my first week, and everything was looking fantastic. My hair was nice and full, and now the shedding has happened. I've been experiencing a lot of shedding, which you can see in the hairline. Pretty much all this is shed, even some right here is shed. Let me show you guys what my crown looks like right now. Some hair in the crown is still there. Yeah, this is the review. I'm going to share also some pictures and some comparisons. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you like the content that I put on the channel, please consider subscribing and supporting the channel. And yeah, just follow me on my Hair Restoration Network thread. I'll be posting a lot more there. All right, till next time.